you guys are doing surface area today. And then your homework is the front odd and the back is going to be all. The back side only has one very simple dot plot questions. There's a couple of questions in regards to the same plot, so it should be fairly easy. And on the front, just your odds. Just your odds. We're trying to prepare you for this SBAC, so you want to make sure you try your best on every single homework problem that I do assign. All right, surface area. Okay, so if we have time, we can use scissors to cut this out and build our prism, right? In the 3D. I don't know if we're gonna have time for that. Maybe we'll do it at the end. So a rectangular prism, does anybody know what it's called when it's like laying flat like this? Oh my gosh. Yes. Yeah, very good. So this is a net of a rectangular prism. You've been learning nets, I think, since elementary. So when it's laying flat, it's called a net. And then what they ask, and I've seen this on map tests, it's like, what shape does this create? So this will create something like your Kleenex box. So if I were to, if we have time, we'll cut it out. It'll create this. It'll create this. Well, do I want to cut it out? Hold on. Do I really want to cut it out? Okay, fine, we'll cut it out. So, a rectangular prism. Now, if we fold it, along the dark lines. Well, you want the graph paper to stay on the outside. You want the graph paper to stay on the outside. Okay. You get a rectangular prism, a 3D rectangle. Do we see that?
No, I think I did not.
All you had to do was cut along the perimeter and you would get exactly the same thing I got. All right. I think on your Canvas, I published the video for my other classes because I kind of wrote stuff out for them. After I did the lesson with you guys, I'm like, you know what, let me define bias, unbiased, population, and sample. So yesterday's video is actually, I go into this more. So if you didn't understand bias and unbiased and sample and population, check out the video I posted because it's actually another class's video. Okay, we're going to go into our notebooks as well. So I apologize for those kids who put it away. Surface area. I haven't written in your notebook in a million years.
How old did you watch the video?
Did you redo that paper? You have a very high probability of getting some sort of cylinder on your SBAC. Either surface area or volume. Volume is a lot easier. You know why you have a high probability of getting a cylinder on the SBAC? Because they cover circles and then they cover volume in one problem. So they're testing you on two standards in one problem. You have a high probability of getting cylinders in your SBAC. So don't ignore cylinders. All right. We're going to be gluing this in your notebook, okay? So this is our rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism because when you fold it up, it ends up being a rectangle, a 3D rectangle. So rectangular prism. How many sides does a rectangular prism have? 6 sides. 6 sides, right?
Somebody called me for Vietnam.
Why are you even checking? All right. And then we get this, David. We get random kids. All right. So 6 sides. You have what I call the front, the back, the top, the bottom, and then the left and right. Okay? Now, the 6 sides are called front, back, top, bottom, left, right. Now, why did I write it in this order? Well, what's so special about your front and your back? Your front and your back will actually be equal. Very good. And your top and your bottom will also be equal. And your left and your right will be no.
Unequal.
No. Equal. It's a rectangle. So, when I build this, your front side will be the same as your back side. Your top will be the same as your bottom. And then your left and your right are over here. This is my left or right, whatever you want to call it. And then this is my left or right. So these two are equal. Do you see it? So your front back will be equal. Your top bottom will be equal. Your left right will be equal. Does anybody know what surface area means? What is surface?
How much
Oh, yeah.
area the surface covers? I don't know.
Have you guys ever wrapped a present?
Yeah.
No.
Sad, but it's okay. So, when you wrap a present, you're covering with paper, right? And it's like, you want to make sure you have enough paper to cover the box, right? Don't you hate it when you tape it and then you end up with like a slip that you can still see of the box and you're like, oh, I didn't use enough paper. Surface area is that. It's like, how much paper do I need to cover this box? Whoever designed this Kleenex box, if I were to open this up, I would get this, a net. So someone did the math.
Perfectly good Kleenex box.
It's fine.
Wow,
So wasteful. First this.
I'm not throwing no.
And now the cover.
It's funny because I have one of those students in 3rd period, so they're fine. They can come in. Okay. Yeah. Well, yeah, he came, right? So you're making it as a joke, but then in reality, I do have a student. Okay.
Uganda.
Yes, he is.
Uganda's Mandela.
So make sure you pay attention in history class when you go over geography. So here's our net, right? So someone created this box and figured out how much cardboard is needed. Someone figured out the surface area to create this exact Nomar. Wow. Okay, you put the scissors down with kindergarten, scissors down. I'm sure there's a song to it. Okay, surface area. So someone created and did this math that we're doing right now. So surface area is how much cardboard I need. So what would they ask you on the SBAC? They love to ask you like, okay, how much surface area? Now, if the cost of cardboard is 2 cents, how much would it cost to create this? So you would find the surface area, and then you would multiply it by 2 cents to figure out what's the cost of this. So they always like try to take it one step further. And they'll be like, what if I offer a discount of 40%? How much would you sell the Kleenex box for? So they always, in SBAC, they love to take all the things you've learned and put into one problem. And we'll start reviewing for your SBAC sometime next week. Okay, look, no one's going to know. No one is going to know that I opened up.
It's recorded.
Okay, look, it's even better than how I started. So?
They can't see.
Everyone's gonna know.
Oh. Well, no one's absent, so you all know at that moment is when she tore up the box. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm going to call this the front. So this is my front. Which one's my back?
The top one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And which was my top?
The
Middle one.
Okay. Sure. Which one's my bottom?
On the bottom one.
Whoa. Which was my right?
The right one.
Whoa. Which one's my left?
The left one.
No way. No way. Sorry, pink is not a good color to use. Okay, so surface area. It's in the name area. We have to find the area of each side and then add them up. So let's do the front, I guess, front. So what is the area? So area is length times width. So what's the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times,
4.
what's my width?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So what's 8 times 4? 32. So if my front is 32, what is my back? 32. Okay, so let me zoom that in so you see it if you didn't follow along, because I know I'm using some markers that are not very friendly. So I did the front, and I need to find the area. An area is the length times the width. That's why we use graph paper, so you can just count the boxes. 8 by 4 is 32. So if the front is going to be 32, that means what?
The back is good.
The back is also 32. Oops. Nah, you see I added the little, I added it right there. You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it right there?
Wasn't that part of the code?
Huh? Part of the, okay, so it's 32, it's obvious, it's obvious, it's obvious. Okay, let's do the top. What's the area of the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 times. What's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? All right, 8 times 6.
48.
So the area here would be 48. So my top is 48. So if my top is 48, then my bottom is 48. So then this is 48. So you're finding the area of each side. Okay, and then you know that the front back are the same and the top bottom are the same. All right, what about the left right side? What is the area of the left right?
24.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24. And this is also 24. All right, so we did all of this work, and SBAC loves to give you problems that involve a lot of work. That's why you're going to get scratch paper to show all your work. You can't keep all these numbers in your head. All right, now we add them. 32, 32, 48, 48, 24, 24. 62? I don't know. You tell me. What's the area of this? So now you add them, Noemi. You add them and you tell me your answer.
All of them?
All of them. 32 plus 32. Anybody get a total yet?
208.
208?
I got way off.
You have to glue this in your notebook. It's a must.
Well, I have to glue this. Yep, 208.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Eventually you'll get a glue stick, and you're only gonna glue the top part. So you see where it says top? You're only gonna put a little bit of glue right on the top, and then you're gonna lay it down flat. And so if you want to go home and still build this net, you can. I mean, the math is hidden, but it's okay. So it's still foldable into it, okay, when you get glue sticks. All right, let's go back into the paquete. The paquete. All right. Now, what? Oh, so what was our answer?
208.
208? Okay. Surface area is 208. Let me write that down because I'm sure you all wrote it. 208. Now, what are our units on 208? Ooh, let's say inches. It's area. So area is always squared. Area is always squared. So no matter what, area is always squared. No matter what, area is always squared. Okay. Now, I'm going to let you in a little secret.
What's the secret?
Kids have a very hard time visualizing this in 3D. Now, those kids who are very used to gaming actually are very good at visualizing all the different sides of this because so much video games allows them to see different perspectives, right? Because you're... Yes, exactly. It's like, oh, what's behind that? And then you can visualize the shape behind it. Okay, so a lot of times kids have issues with, okay, what's my front side, my back side, my top, my left, my right, without holding it in your hand, unfortunately. Okay, so your front part, what are the two, okay, so we're on the next page after cutting, okay. What are the two measurements for the front of the box? Front of the box.
5, 4.
No, exactly my point. A lot of kids have very hard time.
It's 4. It's 10.
Okay, so we need two measurements, a length and a width for the front side. Yes,
10 and 4.
10 and 4. So, you don't have to do this unless you have a really hard time visualizing. This would be my front side, right? So my front side would be 10 and 4. You said 5. Once you start with 5, I stop listening because I'm like, oh, yeah. 10 times 4, what's 10 times 4?
30. 40.
40.
So, if the front is 40, then the back is also 40. Okay? Now, let's go to the left side. Left side's over here. And I'll maybe put dots on it so you see the difference between the stripes and the dots. So this is my left side. What are the two numbers for your left side?
5 and 4.
5, and then this number will be your 4. So 5 times 4, Emmanuel, put that down. What's 5 times 4? 20. So if the left side is 20, that means that the right side is 20. So far, okay?
Yep.
Okay, the bottom or the top. So let me switch colors. The bottom or top would be this part right here. I'm going to do some squiggly lines so you see it. You see the difference between the three sides. Okay, what's the measurement of this side? 10. And then what's the measurement of this? 5. Okay, not to be confused with 4. So 5 is going back. 4 is not going back. So 10 and 5 times, so what's 10 times 5? 50. So if the bottom is 50, then that means the top is also 50. Okay, so now we're going to determine what's our total surface area. So now we have to add 40, 40, 20, 20, 50, 50.
Wait, what?
Yeah, 220. He's getting.
How do you get 220?
So what do we get?
So all of these.
220.
220?
No, 220 meters squared.
Isa, I'm wrong. You're right. Say it one more time.
220 meters squared.
Thank you.
I stand corrected.
I did.
You're right. Here's how you can get it wrong. What if they have multiple choice and one of the multiple choices is like meters cubed? So be careful. That's how they get you. All right, are we okay with this now?
Yeah. Always gonna be beaters.
Every time you see area, it's always squared. Every time you see volume, it's always cubed. And then perimeter is nothing. All right, let's do another one together. All right, number 2. Number 2. Area of the front of the box. So the front of the box is this part. What are my two numbers for my front of my box? 6 and 4. Very good. What's 6 times 4? So I know that my front and my back are going to be 24. Easy enough, right? Make sure you glue. If you don't need the glue, pass it back. Someone in the back might need it. All right. The left side or the right side? I technically don't really have a good view of the left side. I have a really good view of the right side, which is right here. What are the numbers on the right side of my shape? 4 times 3. What's 4 times 3?
12.
12. So right here is your 4 and your 3. So that is 12. Okay, bottom or top? That's this part right here. What are my two measurements for my top or bottom? 6 and 3. 6 6 times 3? What's 6 times 3? 18. All right. Now, let's add them up. 24, 24, 12, 12, 18, 18.
One oh eight centimeters square.
Okay, 108 centimeters squared. Do we agree with 108?
Yeah.
108 centimeters squared. All right, we okay? Okay. Whew. Okay, finally. Let's practice. Okay. This requires a lot of mucho trabajo. Okay, so... Oh, I know what we're going to do. Okay, turn to whatever page... They're not numbered. I apologize for not numbering the pages. Can you fold your paper? Okay, so we're on this page, right? 108. Well, technically that's wrong. 108 centimeters squared. Okay, you see this paper with all the rectangles? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We're going to fold it over because you know what I like to check. I like to check the work. And there is not enough room right here to check your work. But look, this paper is blank, so we're good. So, here's what I want you to do. You're going to go, number 1. I want to know, what is the area of the front? Do I have to write it out, or do you understand if I write F, it means front?
Yes.
Front. Back. What's after front, back? What do you guys want to say?
Top. Left, right.
Left, right, and then top, bottom. Now, David, Emmanuel, is it okay if I wrote top, bottom in the middle and then left, right at the bottom? Yeah. Okay, so you're going to tell me, hey, what are the areas of all of these sides on, like, this little strip of paper? So you want to show me work. Like, how did you get 108? Oh, I added da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and I got 108. All right, front side. What are my measurements for my front side?
13.
All right, what's 13 times 3? 39. Good job. So I write it down. Hey, both of these are going to be 39. All right, left, right. This side right here. 9 and 3. 27. So if my left is 27, that means that my right is 27. Now, if you did top, bottom, well, you're going to, switch it around. All right, top, bottom. Yep. And honestly, like for a rectangle, you have to have all the combinations. Like, do I have my top, bottom? All your numbers have to pair up. All your numbers have to pair up. 117? Do we agree with 117? Thank you. Appreciate you helping out with the answer because I didn't do it. Okay, the last step is to add. Now, feel free if you need to add like over here. If you're not comfortable adding this in your head, I wouldn't. It's too early in the morning. Okay, homework passes for the day that I was absent. I have them. Save them from a rainy day. Don't all use them at the same time. You can only use one homework pass per week. Everybody gets it if they are here, and the sub leaves a good note. The only person that was not here is Melanie. On that day. What did we get? 366? 366? 366 inches squared. Beautiful. I mean, I'm going with it. I don't know if you guys are right. All right. Okay, so now I want you to do number 4, number 7, and number 10.
Wait.
What?
Number 1, number 4, number 7.
Yeah, do you notice that it's the ones that you see when you fold your paper? 4, 7, and 10. I'm having you do the ones I can see. You see? See what I did there?
What's 10?
Well, 10. Oh my gosh, you need to open a little and then read the question.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh my. What do I love to check? I love to check the trabajo. Please. Oh, because we were like, is that a 6 or a 4? That's where I left you guys at. Can't get rid of the letters, so you can't add them. I'm like, you guys still owe you homework classes for March? Did I ever give you homework classes for the March? Yeah, that's gonna be. What'd you guys get for a number to 4?
722. Yards squared. Wait, what?
I don't know the answer, so we'll go with no one. 722? No? 24?
Yeah, same.
Did we get what's one of the what's the front? 238. What's the left, right? And what's top, bottom? Okay. All right. So we just
724?
Yeah, I got that.
all of us. All of us. Yeah. We believe you. We believe you. We believe in you, and we believe you.
Yeah.
That's 14.
What's that? What's that at? I held multiple jobs in 2013. I'm 5.8% lower than the national governmental employees. So sad. Someone has the same name I do? That's, what are the odds of that? I don't know if that's it, but hold on, let me take a picture of that. It's creepy.
Oh, like the YouTube channel? The other one?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw it yesterday.
So you didn't see my YouTube channel, but you saw the other
No,
one?
I saw. It's because I was trying to see the homework.
Oh, okay. Okay. Was it there? Was the homework there?
Yeah.
The video telling you the homework. 200 and something. The front, this is 14 times 17, which is in the 200s.
You mentioned it was 14 off of it. It shows like everywhere.
Mr. Number 10, there's no front back, right? It's just like.
For number 10, so the following dimensions, 12, 8, 8, yeah. True. You got the key to that one, Riley, is to team all the numbers up. So the 12 has to be teamed up with the 8, and then the 12 has to be teamed up with the 18. And then I was gonna say, like, you can talk about nuclear weapons and all of this stuff.
Well, that's basic history.
No.
So how did
It's basic.
they fix that?
Yeah.
Oh, 12 times 7 is 1260, 72, and 96.
Visualize the that times that, that times that, that times that, and that times that.
Top and bottom.
Use every combination of multiplication, so use all of them, and then add
Left
it
and
up.
right.
That's all you need to do. You need to multiply all possible combinations.
Wait, so 12 times like this.
Yeah, and then that times that, and that times that, and that times that. Every single
Also,
combination
so
that you
each
can
number
do.
is gonna multiply each one.
Yeah, each combination. So like
Okay.
12 times 8, if you already did 12 times 8, 18, then you do 12 times 8, then 8 times 18, and then 18 times 8. Okay. So those combinations.
What, do you have the right multiplication? You have 238. Okay. I wouldn't. Okay, are you teaming them up and adding? Okay, cool. That's good. What's 68 plus 68?
Okay, there's two.
You have $68, and I give you another $68. Are you gonna go down to $14? That doesn't make sense. So we're gonna go here. Here, without a calculator. 8 plus 8. Go back to this basics. No one's telling you to do mental math. What? Yes. Oh, you're funny. You think I have answers? I will. What did we say for number 4?
Oh, 727.
724.
Oh yeah, 724.
Yard squared.
Yeah, that's correct.
Is the dream box account you?
No.
No, I'm not gonna blame. I'm not gonna point anything worse.
But it's harder.
Just point to the person who's the guiltiest.
So I'm gonna point my head.
I mean, so good you
Yes.
do like being
Like, even if you don't like to do that, if you just caught you.
Yes.
Because Ted has space for work, so I just do actual work just like what is open because I don't have any space on it.
Just as long as when you take the picture, I see it.
yeah.
Bro,
Bro, what are you?
Yeah, so you multiply 12 times 8, then
I got 456.
and then you have to times it by 2 because it's like 2 numbers. And it's back, left, or right, left, bottom,
Wait, what?
I got 456.
12 times 8, you have to times it by 2 because it's 2 times.
So good is that the 3 multiply?
So left, right, top, bottom.
No, it's not.
What are you doing?
What are you gonna pretend? 38. I got 76. 500, she got
solving the
Okay,
problem. No, that's
wait,
smart.
what
That's
classes
smart.
did you put on which side?
I did right on that one. I actually see you can do it.
I got that because of all of you guys.
Oh,
What'd you get for
I got
one of the
38.
combinations?
Hey, we're close on
8,
two.
which is
It's
96.
close.
Okay. And then
What'd you get for
96
the
all
times
of them
2.
Miss, I just saw this. The thing's still a quarter.
You're like smart. You had to do like two. So I'm gonna
Very good.
Miss,
And the next combination is what did you get?
miss, miss.
Okay, and then you still have 1. What'd you get when you multiplied by 2? Okay, and then your next combination.
No,
Miss, how'd you do number 10? I don't cheat though. Huh?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. Oh, I got 2,
Yo,
4,
can
4.
you stop? There's more space. Did you have to speak?
But that's what
I
we
know.
were
Yo,
going
come
to see.
to my
Oh, there's a mistake.
Miss, miss.
What'd you get for
I'm coming,
number
Emmanuel. I was trying to help Riley out.
It's still a quarter.
Wait, so how do we?
Miss?
For which one?